Dear students to unit soft skills, and today we are going to deal last chapter of this unit, that is time management questionnaire. Okay, so this is chapter 47. Let us start time management questionnaire, chapter 47. Let us see what this mean. Read these questions carefully and give your answers as honestly as you can. So you have got a set of questions before you. You need to answer honestly. Okay, you need to answer honestly. That is why we have make time management questionnaire. Let us see. Thus, exercise will help you identify the areas you might be able to improve your time management and action planning. ये किस लिए requirement है? So that you can make time management and action planning. Okay. Now, choose any of these words to give your answer. कौन से वर्ड यूज़ करने हैं आपके? Rarely मतलब कभी कभार, sometimes, rarely मतलब बहुत कम, sometimes कभी कभार, frequently अक्सर, always हमेशा. सो यू नीड टू आंसर रेयरली, बहुत कम, कभी कभार, बहुत ही कम, समटाइम्स, कभी कभार, फ्रिक्वेंटली, अक्सर, ऑलवेज, हमेशा. ओके, यू नीड टू आंसर these words for following questions. So first question is, I keep my work space tidy so that I can work efficiently. I hope you understand. You have got complete idea of this question. I keep my work space tidy so that I can work efficiently. The answer is what? These four words जो आप देना चाहो दे सकते हैं. After that, I take a positive attitude towards failure. Third one is, I use a highlighter pen to emphasize key in my class notes. Fourth one is, I do tasks in order to of their importance. Fifth, I try to complete one task before going on to the next. Sixth, I write things down rather than trying to remember everything. Seventh, I realize that taking action generates the impetus of further action. Eighth, I set myself specific and clearly defined goals. I set, जो मैंने अपने गोल कर रखे हैं वो स्पेसिफिकली और क्लियरली डिफाइंड है. आई दिस आर द सिंपल इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेज. आई होप यू ऑल आर नोइंग द मीनिंग ऑफ these sentences. 9, I keep to schedule so that I achieve my objectives on time. I don't just do the simple easy things first, but the most important. I plan out a revision timetable for examinations. I say no to others when I am short of time. This is 12th. 13th, I don't put off making decisions. 14th, I have a daily to do list that I update regularly. 15th, I review my progress towards goals and revise my plan as appropriate. 16th, when revising, I take a few minutes break every hours to refresh my mind. 17th, I prepare contingency plans in case my first line of action fails. 18th, I agree with the principle that the best time to do something is usually now. 19th, I organize my work to meet deadlines in good time. 20th, I prioritize tasks so that I do the most important and urgent thing first. 21st, for last minute revision, I make minimal notes recording just key facts, diagrams, and formulas. 22. I manage my fear of doing things I don't like to do and realize that this is a part of procrastination. 23rd. I share tasks or problems with others if possible. 24th. I know the times of day when I am most productive and schedule my most demanding work for these times. This is 24th. 25th. I have a reminder system to remind me when to do things. 26th. I don't allow constant interruptions to my work. I don't allow constant interruptions to my work. I am able to analyze my present position and assess what action I need to take to achieve my goals. I have developed effective strategies to help deal with pressure, such as taking exercise or going to the cinema. I break difficult tasks down into their components so that I can accomplish them one step at a time. And last, I can identify the area does of my life where I waste time and work out the ways to reducing these. Okay, these are the 30 time management questionnaire and you need to answer in what rarely, sometimes, frequently and always. Please राइट योर आंसर्स इन कमेंट कि कितने आपने रेयरली किए हैं, कितने समटाइम्स किए हैं, कितने फ्रिक्वेंटली, कितने ऑलवेज. आई होप you have got clear cut idea of these questions and you have done well in your life if you follow these time meant questionnaire. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.